Contours are one of the most common LiDAR-derived data products. Contours are lines that estimate locations of equal elevation above or below a datum such as mean sea level. They are used on topographic maps to denote elevations. Contour intervals are the vertical distances that separate adjacent contours. For instance, a data set with 40-foot contour intervals for a piece of land that extends from the shoreline to a 130-foot hilltop may have contour lines at 0, 40, 80, and 120 feet. Contours or contour intervals are also commonly used to define the accuracy of elevation data. For example, you may hear people say, I need to gather data to support 1-foot contours. This does not necessarily mean that they will use the contours, but the data of a certain quality. We will go more into detail in the data quality section.